Happy 1st of July and greetings from this nude beach spot in the Flaten Nature Reserve in Ekudden. As you can see, it's a beautiful evening, now 6 p.m. 6:30 almost, and I am out for a evening swim here in Flaten, and the beautiful nature all around that you can see. The water looks absolutely stunning and so clear through, and even there is even bright sunshine this late in the evening. And 1st of July, beach day number 78 on my Sweden beach adventures, and it's time for another beach adventure with Kris. And 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna see in a bit the temperature in the lake as well. But you can see everything in the bottom of the lake, which means that it is so clean and so clear. I can see through while I put everything here as well. And 23 degrees Celsius we have in the lake. So let's then get ready for a swim here in the beautiful Flaten nature, and maybe also going for a longer swim. Let's see. Amazing. While I set up my clock, I'm gonna let you enjoy more in the view that I have right here. It is so stunning how clean the water is, and there are no waves at all as well. And I can see fish inside the water as well, and lots of lotus notes, or how it's called, lotus flowers. It's so magnificent indeed. So we welcome July, and it's time to continue the beach adventures with Kris. Yesterday I was on the Charlie Puth's concert in Ekudden, and it was amazing. It was the best concert of the season for sure. And I will be posting few shorts from the live music from that concert. Okay, so Kris is ready. So let's then go in. 3, 2, 1. Super amazing, secluded beach spot in the beautiful Flaten nature indeed. The water is so steady indeed, and we're gonna enjoy this wonderful view indeed. I actually wanted to go to the sea today, but it seemed like it's gonna be cloudy, so I said no, let's come to Flaten. Actually, I started my monthly card for the public transport, as from today it's half price. So for on the weekend I'm gonna go somewhere further on the sea, and it's gonna be amazing indeed. Beautiful indeed. It is actually my very first time on this beach spot here in the nature, and it's a bit secluded, so it can be definitely considered a nude beach spot. And it's also quite deep, just 1 meter from the shore indeed, and quite lovely scenery as well. Okay, so it's time to wrap up this beach adventure and Kris to swim a bit longer. But thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.